Hey guys, it's took me a solid week. The weather's been crappy. It went from being 70 degrees on, I think it was last, last Sunday. It was 70 degrees. It was 70 degrees outside. And the blue Challenger that I bought, the Copart Challenger, sorry about that, my nose was itching. Yeah, the blue Challenger that I bought, it was the Copart wreck. I got it all back together and got it ready to paint under my carport. And it was already beautiful weather, and all of a sudden the wind started blowing 25-mile-per-hour gusts on Saturday. And then Sunday, beautiful weather again, 70 degrees, 20-mile-per-hour gusts. So, couldn't spray it. So this is the following week. This is Monday. Yeah, and I just put some sealer on it. We had snow yesterday, and today it's at least 65 degrees. What you doing, buddy? Looking for your bike. You probably left it in the creek again. Sounds like somebody's dragging a wagon down here. But yeah, this is where I'm at. I got it. I just put some sealer on it. But this is the car that was demolished in the front. Had all the suspension ripped out of it. I put a quarter panel on it. But this is it. I'm gonna let this dry real good. I'm gonna come back and put my base on. Guys, I've been fighting wind and bugs. Where's all these gnats coming from? I mean, the ground was froze. It snowed yesterday. Today it's 65 degrees and there's gnats everywhere. But I got the car. I got the second coat. I sealed it all first with Mason, ready to spray sealer. And this is my second coat. This is B5 blue. I decided to go a little bit different color. I'm going to put a little bit more paint on it and clear it, and this baby be done. Alright guys, I just put the last coat of base coat on. It is time to start putting some clear on. I'm fighting bugs. This is why you really don't want to be painting cars outside, especially with no light. This color is really flip-floppy too, so wish me luck. Alright guys, I finally got a little bit clear on this thing. I got one coat on it, one good heavy coat, and it don't look too bad. Like I said, this car is just for resale, but I think it's turning out a lot better than just like a car lot paint job. It's coming out pretty good. It's got some trash in it here and there, but it ain't nothing that won't nib out. Quarter panel turned out pretty good. It ain't perfect, but it definitely turned out pretty good. I'm not real happy with the way the paint laid out, but it is what it is. It looks pretty good. Well, that's it, guys. Let's put the last coat of clear on. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's got some orange peel in it, but it ain't nothing that it didn't have from the factory. Actually, this orange peel looks dead on factory. But I'll go around and nib it and do a little water sand and buffing on it. Just make it look a little bit better. But it looks pretty good. It ain't perfect by no means. But this car's went from being a totaled wreck to being somebody's daily driver again. This makes somebody a good car. But yeah, it come out pretty good, guys. You can see the rafters in the hood. The reflection of the rafters. Trusses. So yeah, pretty good. Get this thing back together. It's the next day. Got this thing sprayed. I slapped the front and the back bumper on it, and it's looking pretty good. Went from being a totaled wreck front and back to a daily driver for somebody again. I'm gonna take the wheels off, tape the tires up, and DA sand off all the chips and respray them black. And I need to do something with that lower rocker molding. It's dingy looking. But it's looking pretty good, y'all. Color match pretty good on the bumpers. That was the orange bumper. I wanted to paint the wing black, but I couldn't get it off. It's got so much double-sided tape on it, I was afraid I'd tear something up. But it came out pretty good. I just urethane this window in. Cleaned all that old glue off and got it urethane in. It's dry. But yeah, old car turned out pretty good. I still got to go around and water sand and buff it, but it did. It came out good. Real good. Thanks, guys.